What is up, everyone? Today we are going to work on my 2013 GLI Gen 3 motor. We are going to do dual exhaust. I'm going to move the evap sensor today, and relocate it to my trunk. So let's get started. Alright, step one. Take everything out of your trunk. Your evap is moving to your trunk. It's going to be where your spare tire is. Okay, so every step I've seen says to cut holes here and over here. I don't want to cut holes. I want to see if I can find an easier way to figure all this out. Ooh, I gotta clean my trunk. Figure out an easier way to do this. I don't know about y'all, but I don't like cutting anything in my car. So let's see what the next step is. The evap is on the passenger right rear. There is 1, 2, 3 bolts that I can see from here. We gotta disconnect 1, 2, 3 hoses. All right, so you're gonna need 10 mil socket to drop your evap. Should be only 3 bolts holding it on. And the last one should be over here. Sorry guys if you're not completely in frame. I'm using A6000, Sony A6000, and it's kind of hard with the camera around. I can't really see. Alright, now before you completely drop it, follow your lines. Make sure you know where all your lines are going, because you're gonna have to take them off of here, here, and here, then follow them up your car, and I'm gonna assume it's up by my filler neck. Not sure, haven't really seen so much or that much information about this online. So I'm gonna assume it's by my filler neck and take that off. Reason I'm saying not to, completely take this off is, I don't know, I have rolling jacks where you can roll up on your car, and I don't want to take this off and throw off any codes or start something. So for right now, let's keep these on and we'll go from there. Guys, like I said, I lifted up my car. I am gonna see where those 2 lines go. You're gonna come with me. Let's see. I think I was right. I think they go up to the filler neck. They do. Damn, I'm gonna have to take off my fender lining. Shit. Alright, without the fender lining in the way, we can see what wires or what tubes we need to cut and where we need to run our shit to. So from what it looks like is this one here all the way up to that one there. Then this one here, let me back out, sorry. Wraps all the way up that way. I might actually have to take off my tire, which I didn't want to do. Alright guys, so I had to change plans. I took my car off the roll-ups and I used a jack stand because you need to get under the passenger side. You have to get to the filler neck, so you have to take off your fender lining and jack your car up. Taking off the wheel is optional. I could reach, and obviously I'm a pretty big guy. Next step is to get your hose, cut it exactly in half, because you might need some extra on one side, not on the other. So like I said, I got 14 feet, I think, and I think all you need is 12. All right, everyone, this is where I'm at. I got one of the holes. Let's see if I can lighten it up. I'm drilled, ready to go. The other spot is down here, which mine has all this glue. Looks like, I don't know how I'm gonna get through that. Probably gonna try something else. Maybe go up here. But, whoa, that's too bright. Every instructions I've seen say to come down here and down below. But when I mocked everything up, here looked best. I could run it out the side over there or anywhere else, but I'm gonna stick to everything I've read. All right, guys, so I had to take a break on day one. Started running out of light. The next part that we were doing is down here. You have to cut a hole, like I was saying. Where is it? It's right there. Right now I'm gonna finish up the lines, finish up the edges so it's not sharp and doesn't cut the hose. So that's my next step. Then we're gonna route it, the plumbing all the way around, to make sure it's as far away from the exhaust as possible, because we are dealing with gas. And I might actually go to Advance and get heat shield or heat wrap. You know, be extremely cautious about it. So everything's installed. Sorry, I just kind of by myself, and it's kind of hard to hold the camera, film, cut, route, or move everything around. So yeah, that's where I'm at so far. Kind of got to screw down just to kind of hold it in place. The lines are coming out through here. Show underneath the car. So coming down up around here, I went over. Let's see if I could. Over, then into here. I put some like stuffing shit because I don't have any heat tape or heat shield. That's just a temporary, so it doesn't cut the lines. But yeah, so far so good. All right, so here's the first startup. Hopefully it works. Starts. See, no spillage so far. I don't smell any gas. little rev. Let's go underneath. Alright, that's it for removing the evap sensor. Next video will be an installation or install of the exhaust, which is back here, over there. Then I'll give you a sound clip of that, show you the whole install of that. It's not going to be me doing it. I don't know how to weld. I need to take a class on that or do something.